Oh, we got Plutos. Oh my god.
Fantastic. We're 50 bucks. We are here with our bucket list challenge.
We are at the Bellagio today. And we're doing Dancing Drums Explosion. The Explosion Progressive is 30,000. So not quite as high as the first cost. That's 1.6. But we're going to give it a try. See what happens.
Yeah. All right. Turn this around and what we got? We got $100, 120 in. There's our progressives. And let's go.
Oh, no sound.
Oh, no sound on this one. I gotta hold this a little different.
They got coins.
Yay.
I got nothing.
Oops, sorry.
Oh, it is.
Oh. Come on, drums. Oh.
Oh, one off.
Darn it. There's Dan.
Oh, we're halfway through. We've been one off several times now. Okay, let's hope these next spins are better.
Yes.
Oh, you got a little something.
Hey guys, I got you double because the cups are cold. This is the
Oh.
Oh, thank you so much.
cold one.
Oh, thank you so much.
My pleasure, George.
Thank you. Oh, sorry. Where are we on?
This has been 14.
Okay. Sure. Oh, nice.
Oh, come on.
Oh, we need a win.
Yes.
This is not good.
Come on, big line hit.
Was it? Oh. Last spin, honey.
Last spin. See. Wow, that ticket's looking really small. Good thing it's the last spin. And line it up. Oh, nothing.
Okay, well let's finish it off, but let's drop our bet since the explosive progressive is that great. Let's do 288.
Yeah, and our neighbor just got a $500 bonus on $1.88. So let me wait here.
Alright, let's try $1.88.
So
Oh, we got Plutos. Oh my god.
fantastic.
We're in it. We're still in it.
Good. Nice job.
Bonus. Oh, I got some chips. $4.
Yay. Where are those drums?
Not there. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
We
wow.
just got another bonus. Where's ours? Come over here.
It's all about
Come on,
timing.
drums. Oh, there's one drum.
And that was not the right time.
Oh, there's an old drum.
Come on. Come on, drums.
Seriously, maybe this game likes 88 cents. Can you get a Handpay? I guess if you got the major, you get a Handpay.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no drum.
Yep.
Okay.
The week continues.
Oh wow,
Nothing.
that was sad. Okay, well we'll come back next week with session. Oh wait, this was session 9.
9.
We'll come back next week with session number 10.
All right. Thank you for watching.
Over 50 slots, blankets, and gems explosions here at Aria, and I triggered the bonus on 88 cents. And I only put $20 in. Let's just go mystery. Let's see what happens. High five? That's high five. How about 15? 10. Nice. It's an upgrade. I'm good with that. If I can't record it. Oh, I can't zoom out. Oh wow, $24. Nice. That's a shift. Trigger. Oh, we got some more spins. Ooh, 3 wilds, but nothing all the way across. Oh no, we got ingots all the way across. Okay, not bad. $8. 4 more spins. Almost re-triggered. Nice. $45 on 88 cents. We got 1 more spin. Oh, it's too bad we didn't have the food dog on the 4th reel. Come on, re-triggered. Oh. Nice. Alright. Well, I only started with 20. Oh, look at that. Dancing drums explosion. And I'll do 1 backup spin. Alright.